trip through the solar system. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. The galaxy consists of 200 billion stars. Our sun is the only star in the solar system. It takes about 8 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth. Life on Earth would be impossible without it. Mercury, he is the closest planet to the sun. It is also the fastest. It is named after the Roman messenger of the gods. The next planet from the sun is Venus. It is the hottest planet. On Venus, tin melts. Venus is often considered to be Earth's twin sister. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love. Our home planet, Earth, is just the right temperature for life. It has enough oxygen and water for animals, like people, to live. Earth's only moon, Pluto, is a grayish, cratered, barren satellite heights. Several astronauts have landed on the moon. There is a layer of dust covering everything. The last inner planet is Mars. It is named after the Roman god of war. It is also called the Red Planet. It is red because the rocks have rusted. Mars has polar ice caps. Mars' two moons, Phobos and Deimos, look a little like potatoes. Some astronomers say these moons might be captured asteroids. The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids can be a few feet to several hundred miles wide. There are at least 40,000 asteroids that are bigger than 1/2 a mile across. There are a few of the named asteroids. Ida has its own moon called Dactyl. These are the four Vesta and 1 Ceres. These are the 2 largest bodies in the asteroid belt. The next 2 largest asteroids are named 2 Pallas and 10 Hygiea. 1 Ceres is a dwarf planet. Jupiter is a gas giant and the largest planet. Jupiter has 3 rings and 6 to 3 moons. The Great Red Spot is a giant storm and is as wide as 3 Earths. The second largest of the gas giants, Saturn, has the biggest and prettiest rings. Like Jupiter, it is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. Saturn has 60 moons. Uranus, the third gas giant, has 11 rings, 27 moons, and is blue-green. It is sometimes called the sideways planet because its rotation was knocked over 98 degrees when it was hit by something pretty big. Neptune is almost as big as Uranus. It has 6 rings, 13 moons, and is very blue. It is the windiest planet. Sometimes Neptune is further away from the sun than Pluto. Pluto, once called the 9th planet, is now considered a dwarf planet. Pluto has 3 moons called Charon, Hydra, and Nix. Eris, once known as Xena, is also a dwarf planet and is slightly larger than Pluto. Sometimes it's even closer to the sun than Pluto. Eris has 1 moon named Dysnomia. These are the largest known bodies in the Kuiper Belt. Most scientists call them dwarf planets. Are these dwarf planets too? Depends on who you ask. Some sound like dirty snowballs that orbit the sun. Some come from the Kuiper Belt and some from the Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is the farthest part of our solar system. It is a huge spherical cloud surrounding our solar system. It has billions of icy bodies like comets that orbit the sun. The end. I hope you have enjoyed this Galileo production.